Okay guys, and welcome to the app setup tutorial for Fan Marketer. Now, just to mention before we start, I have updated this tutorial recently with new instructions. So if you're setting up your app again, please follow these instructions carefully. For those of you who are brand new to Fan Marketer, don't worry about it. These instructions will work fine for you too. Okay, so when you're setting up a new app, the first thing you want to do is delete any values that you see in here. So if you have anything in here, delete them. That'll just apply to those of you who have set up an app before and need to set up a new one. If you're a brand new Fan Marketer user, these two values should be clear anyway, so we don't need to worry about this. But just make sure these two are clear. Okay guys, so the next thing we need to do is go to Facebook developers. So to do that, we just put Facebook developers into Google, and it's the top result. So it's it's developers.facebook.com. Okay guys, so the next thing to do is go to My Apps, and then we do Add a New App. And we're going to give it a display name. So the display name is important because whenever Fan Marketer does something for you, so whenever it posts something to your fan page or whenever it makes a comment, the display name will show up on that action. So you don't want to, have any display names that sound spammy or sound like a bot or sound anything like that. So generally, I just try to make my display name fit in with the type of pages that I'm running. So for example, if I was to run an iPhone page, I might just call this something like iPhone 8 rumors, like the page I was going to run. Or if I wanted to run lots of different pages and lots of different campaigns, I might just go for something generic. So it's just something like my FB assistant, and that would be great. So yeah, I'm just going to go for that, something really generic. It doesn't sound like a bot, doesn't sound like anything nasty. That's what we want, so we'll do that. The next thing, we need to type this. Okay, so just let this run. And then the next thing to do is we go to the dashboard. And then we need to grab the app ID from here. So we copy this. And then we go back to where we had deleted previously, or where it was blank. We put our app ID in here for key. And then we need to show the secret. And then we grab the secret. So we copy that. And then we paste that in there. Then the next thing we do is we go to the settings. And this is all fine, but in app domains, we need to take whatever it says here. So for domain, we copy this, whatever it says here, and then we put it in the domain there. And then we choose a category, and we're going to do apps for pages. And then we're going to add a platform, and then we're going to do a website. And then for site URL, you have to copy what it says here. So I'm copying that from the URL, and then I'm pasting it here. And then I do save changes. So then the next thing I do is I go to app review, and then I go make it public. And then we say confirm. Okay, so that's it done. That's the app setup. So next thing is we go back to our the Fan Marketer, and then we click save. Okay, so after that you should see auth Facebook has popped up here. So now we need to click this, and then we say continue as Dan, and then we want to select public here, and then click OK. And then we click OK. Okay, great. That's it done. Our app is all set up and ready to work with Fan Marketer. Okay, guys, one final thing I want to mention, and this only applies to people who are changing their app. So if you need to change your app, for whatever reason you need to do this, if you're brand new to FileMarketer, then you can skip this step. So what I want you to do after you've changed your app over and authorized your new app is go to your campaigns, open up all your campaigns, and then just click save on this page here. And that just re-auths all your campaigns with your new app. So go to all of these campaigns, click save for each one. Click save. There we go.